Where do you think you're going?
What's the matter? You're the one who started this game, and now you don't want to play anymore?
Wait a minute, this gotta be the most dedicated cop in history. I ain't never seen somebody dive onto a human-powered vehicle before. Man was willing to tear his skin on the pavement to catch the perp. And where did the second police officer come from? Man's just spawned out of nowhere. They gonna be showing this footage at the academy for years. You can't tell me that man don't love his job. No doubt in my mind, he gonna be the officer assigned to the Tour de France. You cyclists better stay in line. The tire diver's on the loose. What's crazy is homie didn't even need to dive. He was catching up to the bike with every step. What is his 40 time? And look at the alligator roll. Expert precision. Man's look like Paul Blart, but got the attributes of RoboCop. He stopped the tire, chain, pedal, and grabbed the perp's foot all in one dive. This might be the greatest police work I've ever seen in my life. Now I'll shift my focus to the perp, cause how did he not escape? You on a bicicleta? How did you let this man on foot catch you? Homie must have just cashed in his bike voucher at Cerulean City for the very first time. You on wheels. You supposed to escape, stupid. You could tell he thought he was in the clear cause he never once looked behind him. He couldn't fathom the idea of the police catching him. Bike got tackled so hard the seat nearly went up his asshole.
I won't go back to prison. My butthole can't take that abuse.
Get back! No! No!
I'm a warrior!
Where's the cops when you need one?
We are the police!
We are the police,
The police of Haiti!
the police of Haiti.
Now you see now, you done fucked up, you know that, don't you? You know what I'm saying? That you done fucked up now, you know that, don't you?